Welcome back to Hot Wheels Monster Trucks Improving Grounds, the Road to the All-Star Challenge. We're live here at Gunkster's Gunk and Slime Bowling. I don't see slime. All I see here are crush cars.
They're crush cars covered in gunk.
I can't believe we're on a track that belongs to Gunkster of all trucks. Whatever. Let's go. This is Proving Grounds, Road to the All-Star Challenge. Whoa, this place is gross. Yeah, like Gunkster's breath.
Excuse me? All is simple. Make it of a trophy. But you could have some extra points if you hit any of these crush cars. Let's go.
Let's go indeed, Gunkster. First up,
Demo Derby versus Bone Shaker.
Bone Shaker and Demo Derby sitting in a tree. Kissin.
Shut your mouth, Gunkster! After that interruption was over with, let's get started. Go big, go Hot Wheels. And Bone Shaker was closer to the trophy, so he moves on. That bowling match was no match for Bone Shaker! Bone Shaker beats out his wife to move on. Up next,
Race Ace versus Gunkster.
Gunkster's feeling a little mischievous and ready to gunk at his own home turf.
Yeah, get ready, Race Ace. You're about to get gunked.
Go big, go Hot Wheels! And Gunkster lands closer to the trophy, so he moves on. You gotta be kidding me. Gunkster won?
Ha! You got gunked, Race Ace.
Gunkster will take on Bone Shaker in the semifinals. Up next,
Five Alarm versus Bigfoot.
wow, look at all those crush cars. Gunkster, I'll admit it. That is an impressive collection of crush cars.
Why, thank you, Bigfoot.
Go big, go Hot Wheels. And Five Alarm lands closer to the trophy, so she moves on. Bring in the heat! Five Alarm will move on. Up next,
Mega Rex and Tiger Shark.
I gotta show Mega Rex who's really the ultimate apex predator. Get ready, Mega Rex! Fear the frenzy! Not if me beat you first! Go big, go Hot Wheels! Tiger Shark is closer to the trophy, so he moves on. Ha! Never a doubt! Fear the frenzy!
I have an idea. Let's get rid of all the crush cars here. And set up a danger zone here.
I call it the Gunkster Pending Danger Zone.
Bone Shaker versus Gunkster.
Go big, go Hot Wheels! Whoa, Bone Shaker, what was that? He moves on to the finals. Ha! You are such a loser, Gunkster!
I got gunked on my own home turf.
Who will Bone Shaker face in the finals?
Five Alarm versus Tiger Shark.
If I want to win back 5 Alarms of love from Race Ace, I gotta beat her. It's gonna be sucking to suck to be you, Race Ace! Go big, go Hot Wheels! And 5 Alarm will move on! Bring in the heat! Woo, 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 woo!
I may have lost, but that doesn't mean I have a few more tricks up my sleeve. Just wait until they try to get past this.
This is it, everyone. Who can make it? And who will make the final strike and win the second round of Proving Grounds? Let's go!
Bone Shaker versus Five Alarm.
What's white and red ain't gonna lose this final round to Bone Shaker. Ha ha! You! Ha ha ha! I'm dousing these flames! Just you watch me! Both trucks are really confident. Who will win? Gunksters, Gunky, Sliming, Bowling. Go big, go Hot Wheels! And 5 Alarm wins the second round of Proving Grounds! Breaking the heat! Woo!
Congratulations, 5 Alarm. By all odds, you managed to beat my bowling course. And you helped me to humiliate Bone Shaker, ha ha ha!
Zip your mouth, Dorkster! I'll be back! And when I'll be back, I'll be sure to take my revenge!
We'll see about that. Yo, Culver Racing fan, can you do the outro?
Chirping Gunkster, congratulations again to 5 Alarm, who has got the boosted confidence ready for the All-Star Challenge. We'll see you next time for round 3 of Proving Grounds.